Hi, this is Wayne with Sears PartsDirect. Today we're going to talk about a range error code F10. F10 is a common error code for several manufacturers that appears when your oven exceeds the temperature you set it at in either the cook cycle or the clean cycle. There are a few things that can cause it. If the range is actually overheating, then you could have a stuck relay on the control board, which means you'll have to replace the control board to fix the problem. A defective temperature sensor can also cause this problem. The oven control board may think that the oven is hotter than it actually is, which is why you may see this code when the oven is off and at room temperature. Most codes will clear when you disconnect the power to the range for 1 or 2 minutes. Now that we've cleared the code, let's talk about how to keep it from popping up again. Before we fix it, we'll need to figure out what caused it. To figure out what's wrong, we'll use a multimeter to check resistance. Let's check the oven temperature sensor first. Disconnect power to the oven. Always disconnect power before checking continuity. Remove the back panel. Disconnect the wire harness from the sensor. Set your multimeter to read ohms and put 1 meter lead on each wire terminal of the temperature sensor. The resistance reading on the sensor should be close to 1100 ohms at a room temperature of 75 degrees. If the meter shows a resistance of less than 1000 ohms or more than 1300 ohms at room temperature, the sensor will have to be replaced. If the sensor checks no continuity, an OL reading on this meter, it should also be replaced. Click here to see a video that will walk you through that process. If the temperature sensor checks OK, remove the top back panel. Then plug the harness back into the sensor and unplug the other end from the control board. We're going to check resistance through the sensor and the wire harness next. You should read close to the same resistance through the harness and sensor that you read through just the sensor. If the readings are the same and you continue to get the F10 error code when trying to cook, then the electronic control board will need to be replaced. Click here to learn how to replace the electronic control board. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos here on the YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe.